In this video, we'll see the letters alef, bet, and vet. We'll also see the nickel symbols for pronouncing the vowel ah. Let's see alef, bet, and vet. We'll also see the nickel symbols which tell us to pronounce the vowel ah.
alef, alef.
Please take note that alef is a silent letter. The way you pronounce it varies per word, and also within a word. The letter bet is pronounced as bet when it has a dot inside. This dot is called
dagesh.
So, we say
bet, bet.
But when there's no dot inside, the letter is pronounced as vet.
vet, vet.
With the letter alef and the letter bet, we can already write the Hebrew word for papa, dad, or daddy.
Abba, Abba.
In the word Abba, we pronounce the first alef as a short ah. Then, the letter bet is pronounced as ba, because the nickel sign below it is for a long ah. The last alef is silent. But when the vowel signs are not written, Hebrew speakers still know how to pronounce it when written in the context of a sentence. This time, let's see the more formal word for father.
Av, av.
Note that this word is formed by an alef, and by a vet which has no dot inside the letter. The word av is formed by the letter alef and the letter vet. Note that the alef is pronounced as a long ah.
Av, av.
Now you know alef, bet, and vet. You also saw nickel signs for pronouncing the vowel ah. A long ah is indicated by the symbol called
kamatz.
And a short ah is indicated by a symbol called
petach.
Now you know two Hebrew words.
Abba, Abba. Av, av.
So please remember alef, bet, and vet, and also the nickel signs for the vowel ah. You will see them again in the next videos.